Hi guys, I'm at my favorite place to shop. Not that I can buy anything. Look, them, aren't they cute? Oh my gosh, they're so adorable. I would take them all. Look at them, these are little white turkeys. Hi little cutie pies. Hi little cutie pies. These are golden comet. What are these little guys? Oh, I only see two of them over here. Light Bahama. Okay, what do we got here? These are assorted ducks. Hi, little cutie pies. Oh, they are so cute. I'll take them all. Calico Princess. Oh my gosh. Hi, little cuties. Oh, couldn't you just get lost in here? Assorted bantams. Look how cute they are. Oh, look at these called Cinnamon Queen. Oh, I want one of each. Well, that's what I got. Here I am at Rural King. Bye for now.